Yo, I'm checking my Facebook. Yo, I'm checking my Facebook. Yo, I'm checking my Facebook. Let me see what the fuck this is right here. I'm checking my Facebook. Just waking up, about to check my Facebook. I hope this bad bitch don't look like a duck. And first of all, she can look like a geek, man. I hope she don't think she can get at me, man. And don't really write on my wall, and not unless you want to get the fucking downfall. You really don't know how to act a fool, but you and your friends can't play by the rules, yeah. And I'm S and I play with the game, and Facebook is the motherfucking main thing, yeah. And I can get up on this motherfucker and tell your friend's girlfriend you is a hoe, yeah. Just jump on the show, man. A matter of fact, girl, just hit the pole, man. I see you at Stars trying to do your thing, girl. After dark, girl, you's a hawk, girl. Shit, and you ugly as fuck. And matter of fact, girlfriend, you can pup. You asking to me cause you ain't with Thuck. You ain't with the girl cause you can't get a cut. Yeah, you other girl, you can get fucked up. And you can tell a girl, you can get bucked up. Shit, you're not a Jordan riser, but you can get some, but take a shower. Shit, you stink as hell. Matter of fact, girl, you can take a bath. This shit right here, I ain't really trying to get you right here. You ugly too. I think I'm looking at you, but you is cool. And I'm checking this shit right here looking like a bitch. Matter of fact, Facebook, off the hook. Why you doing this? 2,000 friends. Damn. Okay. Okay.